This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels on it. Again. Right at 94. If you guys didn't know, SRT. Again. All right, that's what it sounds like before. So we're gonna do a mid-muffler delete and replace it with an X-pipe. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, so we'll let you guys hear it, what it sounds like before. 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is what we did on it. So we did a mid-muffler delete, as you guys can see, right there. That's where it usually goes. And put an X-pipe in its place to equalize exhaust scavenge, 2.5 inch, all the way. There it is, really beautiful. And then we left everything else the same. It's got valves on it, there and there, spring loaded. And then we left the factory resonators there and there. And the factory tips there and there. He might change those later on. But this is what it looks like. That's the mid-muffler on it. If nothing else, he lost about 50 pounds worth of weight just by itself, right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys do. Appreciate it. Not bad. If you really want to open it, you got to take those resonators off. Put some vibrant. Where's sound decibels? Now it's 106. It's not too bad. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT mid-muffler delete and X-pipe installed. Let's see how this thing flies. They're pretty quick. Traffic. Damn, beast mode. Enjoy, guys.